Hello, my name is Dr. I'm the attending physician today. May I ask your name?
Yeah, my name is Mr. Jones.
Okay, Mr. Jones. What brought you along today?
Well, my friend's dog just bit me, and then I came straight here. And but your nurse just washed my hand with soap and water.
Uh-huh.
Uh, didn't use any antiseptic or anything. I mean, what kind of care is this? I don't know. And I told her that you should use some iodine or something, but she just doesn't listen to me. She just said, no, that's enough.
Okay, I'm really sorry that here you are frustrating. But first, I would like to ask you a few questions. When did the bites happen?
Oh, it's just half an hour ago. I just came straight here.
Uh-huh. And so you haven't done anything else before coming here, yeah?
No, I just put a clean tissue on it, and I just came over straight here. Yeah.
Uh-huh. And about the regarding your concerns about cleaning of the wound, you are right. They may use iodine for irrigation, but the important issue is to irrigation with just water and soap. It's usually enough for cleaning a bite wound, and I can assure you that they did the best.
But how about the bugs? But the soap and water doesn't kill the bugs, does it?
Uh, I can understand your concerns. Soap and water is the essential step for cleaning the wound. And regarding the microbes, we need to have and regarding the microbes, we have some medications, antibiotics for prevention of
Okay.
infection that you are worried about that, okay?
Okay. So, does it need stitches? Because I'm really afraid of needles.
That's a good question, but in your case, there's no need to suture it because your wound is superficial, and indeed, it's very important to left open the bite wounds. It helps to uh, um speed up their healing. Okay? What
Uh,
do you think about that?
okay. So, so there's no needle.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, but another thing that we should consider is your tetanus vaccination history. Can you remember your vaccination? When
Mm,
was
no.
it?
No. Mm,
So what we need to do now is to inject a tetanus vaccine.
I'm afraid of needles, doctor. Is there any other way? Is there anything I can eat or take it orally?
Um, I'm really sorry, but it's really necessary for you. It's relatively painless. It's just a thin needle and just some temporary soreness sensation.
Oh, okay.
It won't hurt you. It's just a few
Okay.
seconds.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
But you know, doctor, I'm allergic to paracetamol, so you shouldn't inject me with anything that contains paracetamol.
Thank you for telling me this matter, but I can assure you that we have another kind of medications that's with
Okay.
it doesn't have
Time.
any.
So, how does that feel?
افتضاح.
Why? So you said not bad or okay, good, so.
So 5
Mm, 5. So
or
how
even
about
4.
uh okay. Uh yeah, it was okay. So structure wise, was it structured?
Structure, not bad.
Mm-hmm. Rapport?
راپو هم بد نبود.
Okay. Information gathering?
خیلی خوب نبود، خیلی سوالی زیادی نپرسیدم ازش، یعنی
Mm.
نمیدونستم اول برم اون کانسرنشو که میگه نرستون خوب رسیدگی نکرد و اینا جواب بدم، یا اول برم ازش سوال بپرسم.
Mm-hmm. Okay. به نظرتون باید چیکار بکنیم؟
به نظرم اگه خودم باشم اول اونی رو که جوابشو میدم که مثلا آره.
اگه جوابشو ندین که دیگه حرفتون رو گوش نمیده، جوابم بهتون نمیده. اوکی. So, وقتی مریض یه چیزی میگه که ربطی به اون قسمت نداره، شما با جوابشو بدی ولی برگردی به همون قسمتی که بودی. در واقع شما اینجا میتونید بگید که I do apologize but I would explain the reason. The reason is because we don't use iodine for open wounds, because if it gets inside the open wound it causes more irritation and it causes damage. Okay. So we can only use iodine for intact skin, not for any deeper injuries. Okay. So this is the usual procedure this is the normal procedure to wash the a bite wound with just soap and water. Okay. Right. But okay دیگه چی؟ اون پس بعد دوباره باید برگردیم کجا اینو که جواب دادین اون وقت برمیگردیم. Okay. Could you tell me more about the wound? What happened? Okay. توی بایت ووندا چه چیزی مهمه؟ برای چی ما میگیم what happened؟
اینکه حیوانش خونگی بوده یا نبوده.
اوکی. دیگه
دیگه محلش هم مهمه که مال این دستش بوده.
دیگه
دیگه چیزی یادم نمیاد.
اوکی. پس اوکی. خونگی بوده نبوده، واکسیناسیونش اطلاع دارین یا ندارین؟ was it provoked or unprovoked؟ اگه provoked باشه یا اینکه is that something usual or is it برای اینکه اگه provoked نباشه ممکنه هاری داشته باشه ها the animal. پس you can say is it provoked or unprovoked. مثلا شما میگین که yes I wanted to touch him and then he actually he bit me. Okay. Good. That's information gathering. We could do a little bit better. And then you can actually ask if he has had any vaccinations in your information gathering. Right. So in the info,
برای واکسینیشن نمیدونم مثلا چه کلمه ای رو میشه به کار برد. مثلا میخواستم بگم الان بعد واکسن اینجکت کنیم، رسیف کنی، چیکار کنی؟
okay. We say it is recommended that you have an injection or have a tetanus injection. Huh? Yes, it is recommended that you have an injection or a tetanus injection. Um, so, yep. So it's we just say a tetanus injection. You need to have an injection. Okay. Mm. Do you remember when you last had an injection? Had it? Do you remember when you last had a tetanus injection? Okay. Or when did you last have an injection for tetanus? Okay. اینم تلفظش اینجوریه. Tetanus. Okay. Tetanus. Okay. Tetanus. Okay. خب ice.
Ice. Suture. Infection.
Okay.
همین.
Okay, I'm afraid of needles. Okay, so.
حساسیت به پاراسیتامول.
Okay. Right. خب okay. اونا رو شما pick up کردین دیگه که okay. About stitches, about yeah, we don't use suture. We say stitch. Okay. Suture is a medical term, so you use stitches. But I think you did well. You did explore. You could say, well, why are you afraid of needles, or something like that. Okay, but it's okay. You did well. Information giving. Did you chunk and check?
سعی کردم یه چند بار اوکی گفتم.
Once or twice. Okay. Okay. Right. Also, irrigation is not the usual word we use for washing. Okay. So we don't say irrigation. We usually say washing. Right. As suture, I said, left open the bite wound. Okay. What did you mean by that?
یعنی که منظور این بود بازش بذاریم.
Okay. So we usually leave the bite wounds open. Okay. You can say, well, we treat bite wounds differently, and we usually leave them open. Okay. So you can say the management of bite wound is different from other wounds because we usually leave them open. Okay.